Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to replace the control cable on the boat. Let's get started. Alright, so this boat has 3 different cables on it. 2 cables coming from the shifter and throttle control up front. One of them is for the throttle. The other one's for the shift mechanism. The shift mechanism is on the engine, and coming off of that there's also a cable that goes down to the drive that controls shifting from reverse to forward. So this is the shifter mechanism. This is the cable coming from the controls up front, and this is the shifter cable that goes down to the drive. If you'll notice, can't really tell a whole lot about it right now, but there is some slack in this cable that goes up front, and part of this mechanism back here is stripped out. The adjuster mechanism is stripped. So I've got a whole new cable in this box here, and we're going to take this one out, put a new one in. Alright, take this loose from the front. We got to take this all apart. So first thing we're going to do is push in the button of the shifter all the way back. Set screw. Alright, I got it loose from both ends. Now to get it out of the tangled mess of wires up and under here. That was a lot more work than I'd anticipated. 10 zillion zip ties. Now to get this thing hooked back up. Cable's broken. So I'm going to put a wire tie or 2 around it here to hold it tight. Now for the adjustment part. This part's not going to be fun. Alright, I got this tool here. It's called OMC Shift Cable Tool. OMC mounting plate. What these are for is to set your shift cable adjustment. Now this one you're supposed to use when the drive is off to adjust the position of the end of your shift cable. Make sure it engages with your drive shifter correctly. Hopefully we don't have to use this one. That's way too deep. That's more work than I wanted to get into, removing that drive and putting it back on. So we're going to use this one right now. This sets the length of your shift cable when it goes down to the drive. So I'm going to adjust that to this, and we'll see what happens. we go. Got it working. Got the muffs hooked to it. Hopefully they're still on. Yep, they're still on. Temperature staying down. Put it in reverse. Reverse. Back to neutral. Back to neutral. And forward. One more time. Back to neutral. We're in neutral. Temperature staying down. Thermostat's working good. Let's get it back together. Alright guys, we got the control cable installed. It's working great. Shifting into gear, neutral, reverse, forward. Doing perfect. That's going to do it for this one. Appreciate you watching. Join me on the next one when we put a carburetor kit in this carburetor. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. See you guys.